Hello everyone, this is Dr. Basnet. Today in this video we will discuss second part of computer network topic. In this video we will discuss about the types of computer network and LAN topology. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Before going inside the video, we will divide the topics into two different parts. First, we will learn about the types of computer network, which are local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN. And finally, we will learn about network topology, which are bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. Types of computer network. Based on the size and distance it covers, a computer network can be classified into three types. Local area network, number 1. Number 2, metropolitan area network. And 3, wide area network. Let's discuss these three one by one. Local area network. A local area network is a small network of computers that bounds to a small area. The area may be room, building, or short distance. A LAN where wireless media are used is also known as WLAN, and WLAN stands for Wireless Local Area Network. It is a network owned by a single organization or office. For example, you can take a network of schools and colleges. Second, metropolitan area network MAN. Metropolitan area network MAN is a network of computers that spread over a city area. You can say it is the combination of two or more LANs, and it is owned by multiple organizations. Example, we can take network branches of bank within a city area. Number 3, wide area network WAN. It is a network of computers that extends beyond one districts and countries. It is a large network formed by joining many groups of LANs and MANs. It is owned by multiple organizations. For example, you can take the internet that we use. Let's move on to the next. Now in this section, we will discuss about the LAN topology. LAN topology or network topology is the structure of LAN that describes how the computers and other networking devices are linked with each other in a network. Or in other words, you can say the connection pattern of computers and other devices in a LAN is called as LAN topology. Here in this section, we will discuss about three types of topology, which you can see in the diagram below. We will discuss about bus topology, star topology, and ring topology. Bus topology. In this topology, all the computers and other devices are connected to a common cable, which is called a bus, in the linear format. The main wire is called as bus or backbone, as you can see in the diagram below. In the mid, there is a long single wire, which is called a bus, and all the devices are directly connected to the mid wire. And also you can see PC1 is sending signal to PC8 and the signal are traveled through the main wire called bus. Now let's discuss about the advantages of bus topology. Number 1, it needs less cables, so it is cheap. It is easy to install or create. 3, each node has equal priority for network traffic. It means every computer connected in a bus topology have equal opportunity to accept and send signals throughout the network. Number 4, adding new node is easy in the bus topology. It means that you can add new device in the network easily. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages of bus topology. In the disadvantages, damage in common cable bus affects the entire network system. Means if the main wire get damaged, the entire network system will stop. Number 2, it is difficult to detect errors. Number 3, adding more nodes in the structure decreases the performance. It means that if you go on adding more devices in the network, the performance of the network in the bus topology will decrease down. Let's move on to the next now. Star topology. In star topology, all the computers and other devices are connected through a central device called hub or switch in the shape of star structure. As you can see in the diagram, in the mid there is a switch and all the devices are connected through a red wire with the switch, and the main function of switch is to act as a central point for connection as well as to amplify the signal and send it to other node. Now let's discuss about the advantages of star topology. Number 1, star topology is easy to install. Number 2, it is easy to detect errors. Means if any computer or devices doesn't work in the network, we can detect it easily. Number 3, easy to add or remove computers. It means that any computer can be added in the network easily, and also we can remove any computer or devices from the network easily. 4, any damage in one computer node does not affect the entire network system. It means that if any node in the network doesn't work, it won't affect to any other computers which are in the network. So these are the advantages. Now let's discuss about the disadvantages of star topology. Number 1, it requires more cables and extra device called switch or hub, therefore it is expensive. Number 2, failure of central device, hub or switch breaks down the entire network system. Let's move on to the next. Ring topology. In this topology, all computers and other devices are connected in the shape of circle without endpoint. In this topology, signals are transmitted in one direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise. As you can see in the diagram below, all the devices are in loop, and you can see the signal traveling in only one direction in the clockwise. So this is a diagram of ring topology, and it is generally made in small area. Now let's discuss about the advantages of ring topology. Number one, it is easy to install and reconfigure. Data can be transmitted in high speed in ring topology. Number three, it is easy to set up in a small area. Now, disadvantages of ring topology. Number one, it is difficult to add or remove computers in ring topology. Number two, it is difficult to find the errors in the node. It means that if any computer in the ring topology get damaged, the entire network will affect it and can be difficult to detect it. Number three, failure of any computers or cable may affect the entire network system. As the connection is in loop, so any damage in any computer or wire will affect the entire network system. Thank you very much. I hope that you understood this.